vtiger CRM On Demand's integrated email campaigns allow you to send bulk emails and track campaign goals and results, including opens, clicks, bounces, and unsubscribes. Individual engagement histories are also recorded on each lead or contact record, allowing for improved visibility of their interests and identification of upsell or cross-sale opportunities. In this video, you will learn how to create and manage a successful email marketing campaign in vtiger. Let's start off with creating a list of campaign subscribers. These are the recipients of your campaign and can be either leads or contacts. To create a new list of subscribers, go to your Email Campaigns module and click on Add List. If your leads or contacts are already in vtiger, then click on the I'm Ready to Create List button. If they're not yet in vtiger, you will first need to import them via CSV or vcard file. To import leads or contacts, click on the Import Contacts or Import Leads button respectively, and return to this page after completing the import process. Now let's create a new list of subscribers. Click on I'm Ready to Create List, and enter a list name. Then select the module from which to search for recipients. As mentioned earlier, this can be from either the Contacts or Leads module. The filters in the list creation process refer to those filters created for Contacts or Leads modules. You can create a filter by going directly to the Contacts or Leads module and clicking on this Filter button. Don't worry about being too specific at this stage, as you will be able to further segment this filtered list later. Once a filtered list has been selected, or you've just decided to use all records in the first step of filtration, click on the checkbox indicating that you have permission to send emails to these recipients, and then click the Save button. In the next step, you can either create a new email template, or you can use the existing email template for your campaign. Please note that whenever you are using an existing template, you can edit the template by clicking on the Editor area. Remember that you should give a duplicate name for the template so that it will be saved as a new and separate template without affecting the existing. Now you're ready to start creating a campaign and sending it to your customers. To begin, click on the Create Campaign button from the list view of the campaigns. Next, enter the campaign details, including the campaign name, from email, email subject, and then click Next. Note that the from email address you use needs to be Amazon verified. If it isn't already, this can be done by clicking on the Verify button that appears once the address has been input. You will receive an activation email at this address, which once verified will allow you to proceed. In Step 2, select one of the lists. You can further filter this list by clicking on the Segment button to the right. Otherwise, click Next. Step 4 shows a summary of the campaign details. If you want to edit any of these, you can do so by clicking on any of the edit buttons. We recommend testing the campaign before sending it to any recipients, so to see a test, click on the Test Email button and proceed through the prompt. This will send you a sample email that you can use to see what the campaign looks like before sending it to all of your recipients. Once you've verified that your campaign functions exactly as you want it to, click on the Send Now button. At the end of every campaign, each campaign will have its own campaign report. This report indicates the number of clicks, opens, unsubscribes, bounces, and complaints, down to a very granular level. By clicking on View Report in the list view of the campaign, you will be redirected to the campaign report page, where you can filter down on these campaign outcomes. Every recipient, that is, lead or contact, also has a campaign engagement history. This shows the recipient's engagement on an individual level with each campaign. You can see the engagement level under the Lists and Campaigns tab in the detailed view of each record, that is, lead or customer record. The email list subscription block shows you the lists in which the individual is included. while the campaign's history block shows the individual campaigns that the user is involved in, as well as their level of engagement with the campaign, with the number of stars indicating to what extent they engaged with the campaign.
For more information, please visit help.vtiger.com or email us at support@vtiger.com.